finding it difficult to understand the language of chart, in today's video, we will show you how to understand the chart and become a smart investor. This video is not going to give you only the understanding of chart, but also guide you on how to use the chart to maximize your return. So stay tuned till the end and get ready to take your investment journey to the next level. Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMRBGP. I'm just sharing my presentation file. This is a disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor and this video is for educational purpose only. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a study of price and volume action. We usually go to the TradingView website and understand the candle, and the candle show the price action, and below the candle we see the volume. So, and we understand the momentum or and pattern of chart, and the aim is to predict the future price trends. Why technical analysis is important? It helps traders identify opportunities and provide visual insight into market behavior. What is the difference from fundamental analysis? Technical analysis is only focused on price action rather than financial statement. Price action, a foundation of technical analysis. Yeah, this is the important point. Trend. What is trend? There are three types of trend. One is uptrend, higher high and higher low. Second is downtrend. It means lower high and lower low. Sideways, consolidation phase. And one crucial thing, support and resistance. Next video, I am going to give you the details. This is the uptrend. Yeah. Uptrend means higher high and higher low. This just compare the candle to it in this candle and this candle. This is the top and this is the bottom of the candle. Okay. And the second candle, higher high. It means this is the top and this is the top of second candle. So this is higher comparatively this candle. So higher high and higher low. This is the low of this candle and this is the low of this candle. So higher low. Okay. The same pattern is here, higher high again and higher low again. Okay. So this kind of situation is called uptrend. It means share price is in uptrend direction. Second is downtrend. Downtrend means lower high and lower low. You can compare lower high. This is the top of this candle and this is the top of this candle. So top is lower. From here, from this candle to this candle, you can compare. This is the lower high and lower low. This is the lower low. So, and this kind of pattern is called downtrend. So we must avoid downtrend. We should not write the share, any share. That share is in downtrend. And third case is sideways. When share price is in a range bound, it is not going upside and it is not going downside. It is in a range, just going up, again down, up, again down. So it is in a range. So this is called sideways. And we also avoid sideways because we don't know how long it will be. So if you write the company and which company is sideways, then your money will be blocked there. So you should avoid sideways and downtrend, and you should write the uptrend company. The company which share price is in uptrend, we should buy that kind of company. that kind of share. And this is also very important, support and resistance. Support means this is the support line. Support means there is a huge selling pressure when share price start going upside. Okay, from here you can see again going down. So from again going upside, here down trend started falling down. Okay, so it means this is the strong resistance. From this place it is very difficult to go up. That is called support resistance. And opposite of resistance is support. Here is the support. When share price falling, here is some kind of support. And what is the meaning of support? Why this is forming? Because here is some buying, someone started buying here. Okay, that is why share price from here is not going to down, and it is going from here to move upside. Again you can see started falling, but from this place moving to upside. So this is the support zone and this is the resistance zone. Here also you can see this is the resistance and this is the support. So usually we when share price started falling, then we analyze in this way. It may be returned from this place because there must be some buying pressure. Just go to the TradingView website and you will understand more here. This is the SDFC. 1 minute. No, just I'm sharing TradingView website. Yes, you can see here. Here is the place. Okay, just I'm putting one horizontal line here. This is the resistance. Share price started moving upside. Okay, but from this place it started falling. Again you can see here it is very difficult to cross this resistance line because there is some selling pressure. When share price reaching this place, there is some selling pressure or profit booking, whatever the region, but there is some selling pressure. Due to selling pressure, start when share price reaching this place, again moving to downward. Okay, and here again you can see this is the support. Yeah, this is the support. When it is moving down, here is support. From this place it starts moving upside because there is some buying, someone is buying here. Again you can see from before support zone, before support level, it started moving upside. So this is the support and this is the resistance. That's all in today's video, and there are a number of things are remaining in chart analysis. In further video, I will discuss everything. So if you find anything valuable in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your all friends, all relatives. Thank you so much for watching my video.